Imagine this: you have strolling in silence, a peaceful place. Your mind is calm, quite still, but then something unexpected happens. A beautiful woman walks by. You try not look. You try to stay still, but the mind, it starts talking. It starts imagining. It starts wondering why. Why does the mind behave this way? And importantly, how do we take back control? Today, I will share a story from ancient Buddhist tradition, a story that might change how your thought forever. Long ago, two Buddhist monks were traveling on foot toward a distant land. One was old, claimed experience. The other was young, just starting his journey into mindfulness and discipline. As they walked through a village, it started to rain. Soon they came upon a river. The water was high and flowing fast. Standing near the edge of the river was a woman. She was beautiful, elegant, dressed in fine clothes, and she was afraid to cross. The young monk hesitated. He was not sure what to do. After all, monks take a vow to avoid physical contact with the woman. But to his surprise, the older monk walked straight up to her, smiled gently, picked her up in his arms, and carried her across the river. Once on the other side, he calmly placed her down. Without a word, he continued walking. The young monk was stunned for hours. They walked silence, but inside the young monk's mind there was chaos, confusion, judgment, questions. Finally, unable to hold back any longer, he said, "Master, how could you do that? We are monks. We are not even supposed to touch women." The old monk smiled and replied, "I leave her by the river, my son. Why are you still carrying her?" The lessons. The story carries is powerful message. The real burden is not in the action, it's in the mind. The older monk helped someone and let go. The younger monk did not touch the woman, but he cared her for meals. In his thought, sexual thought, desires, carving, these are natural. They are part of being human. But problems brings when we hold on them, when we feed them, when we jango ourselves for having them. And ironically, the more we try to restrict their thought, the stronger they become. Superstition is not freedom. Superstition creates pressure, and pressure always excludes. So, what do you do? We don't not fight. We observe, we understand, and then we release. How to deal with sexual thought? 1. Observe without judgment. When a sexual thought arises, notice it, do not panic. Label it as bad. Just watch it like a cloud passing through the sky. You are the sky. The thought a just passing thought. 2. Shift your attention. Interest of freeing the thought. Gently move your focus. Breathe deeply. Look around. Read a book. Do something meaningful. thought lose power when attention is withdrawn. 3. Don't feel ashamed. Having sexual thought does not make you bad or dirty. It makes you human, even monk and sages feel desire. The difference is the does not become selves to it. Number 4. Practical daily meditation. The more you practical beginning still, the more you still understand your mind. Meditation builds space between you and your thought. In that space, there in space. At last, the mind is like garden. If you water weeds, they grow. But if you choose wisely, if you nature claim awareness and discipline, your mind become a place of place. Have you ever experienced a moment where you thought felt stronger than you will share your story in a comments? You never you know how you write help. If you the history touch, you give the like and don't forget subscribe more ancient wisdom for modern mind.